Hello everyone, welcome to Coin Engineer. Today I will show you guys how to join Binance's 5th year celebration NFT event. But before we move on, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on. And now let's jump into our video. So first, you will need a KYC verified Binance account, and you can create it with the links in the description box below to pay less commissions on your transactions on Binance. After that, open this web page, which you can find the link of in the comments. Now normally you have to hold 0.1 BNB in your wallet, but if you are seeing this video today and now, you have to hold minimum 0.2 BNB in order to have an average holding of 0.1 BNB for 2 days. I personally recommend holding 0.22 or 0.23 BNBs to guarantee it. And there are 4 purchase units per user, meaning you can buy maximum 4 tickets and each ticket costs 2 BUSD. So a quick recap. Hold 0.1 BNB of 2 days average, and as I said, if you're seeing this video now, you have to hold 0.2, and as I said, I recommend holding 0.22 or 0.23 BNBs in your wallet to guarantee it. In 15 hours, as you can see here, subscription period will be over and you will be able to buy tickets. As I said, there's 4 tickets per user limit and each costs 2 BUSD. After buying your tickets, you'll wait for the distribution phase, and if you have any winning tickets, your NFT will be automatically sent to your wallet and 2 BUSD will be deducted. After that, you're free to do whatever you want. You can hold your NFT or sell it on the marketplace. When you click on details here, you can also see your BNB holding history. So I bought 0.10 BNB just for this event, and as you can see on this date, that was my BNB amount in my wallet. And if this says 0 for you, as I said, if you're seeing this video now, you have to hold minimum 0.2 BNB in order to join this event. If you have any questions, ask us in the comment section below and we will answer as quick as possible. And so that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on for more upcoming videos. And I'll see you guys in our next videos.